First, log into your bank account. You can do this either through your bank's website, on a computer, or by opening their mobile app on your phone. Next, check your account status. Ensure the account is active, meaning it's open and operational. Also, confirm it's not overdrawn, with sufficient funds available and not blocked, meaning there are no holds or restrictions placed by your bank. Remember, a deactivated account cannot be linked to Cash App. If your account has any of these issues, contact your bank first before trying to add it to the app. If clearing the cache doesn't resolve the issue, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Cash App. This provides a completely fresh installation, removing any corrupted data that might be causing problems. To reinstall, first uninstall the app by long pressing its icon and selecting Uninstall. Then, open your App Store, search for Cash App, and download the latest version. This ensures you have a fresh, clean installation free of any glitches. Case Study 3 demonstrates how Cash App's security measures can sometimes block legitimate users in high-fraud areas. A user trying to add their Bank of America account faced this issue due to automated fraud detection systems. The system detected unusual activity based on the user's location and IP address, triggering a security block to prevent potential fraud. To resolve this, the user enabled a VPN to mask their IP address and completed additional identity verification steps provided by Cash App. This satisfied the security protocols and allowed the account to be added successfully. This case shows how proactive security measures, while important for protection, can occasionally require extra steps from users to verify their identity. Looking at the statistics on solutions and fixes, roughly 65% of Cash App bank linking issues are resolved through simple steps like app updates or clearing the cache. The remaining 35% of fixes typically require direct intervention from your bank to address account restrictions or verification issues. This breakdown shows that most problems can be solved with basic troubleshooting, while fewer cases need bank assistance.